From Santo Tomas, Shell.
Good evening. For me, siguro po, aware naman po na yung pagpanago na po ni Santo Tomas is coffin and paso. And para ka ako, mas maging proud of the anyang binisite President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, king municipality. Muna po para man yan sa karen po victim na ning Typhoon Ondoy, karen po aliwang lugar. So, manipat po niya milyari ito talagang making proud ko kasi talagang dinayo na po President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo yung municipality. And I'm very proud of that. And promote kayo po yung municipality ni by simply being proud na taga Santo Tomas po. And pag maragol po na kami po yung meto ka rin mag-produce ka rin pinakamasabi ng coffee kaya po Philippines.
Alright, there you go. Let's have Jella of Santa Ana.
I'm from Santa Ana. From Santa Ana, you will see a beautiful, we have the preserved beautiful church there. So, and also, there is a Cursillo. So, I can promote it. If you have a certain feeling that it's open to all the Filipino. Since our Cursillo is the only Cursillo here in Pampanga. So, if you have a certain feeling that you can come, you can visit our Cursillo.
Okay, thank you so much, Jella. Let's now have CJ of Lubao.
Good evening to all of you. I'm CJ and I'm from Lubao. And just recently, my town, Lubao, has started exporting cribs